So, hey guys, welcome back. Live on Coinmarketcap blog Alexandria. So, we're going to be reviewing this article by Hassan Shafiq. So, what is TradeWagon, features, tokenomics, and price predictions? So, these directly on tech deep dives on Coinmarketcap's blog Alexandria. So, on table of contents, we have how does TraderWagon (TW) work, trading rules on TW platform, lead trader 3 month trading fee rebate program. Guys, you want to stick to the end so you get full concept of these updates, crypto news. If this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, it's your boy Keys. What we do drop updates for about cryptocurrency news as well as airdrops and lots of other updates, guys. So you want to stay subscribed, you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We'll also be giving a giveaway and the later end for our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So you want to be part of that this family and support us. And if you have any feedback, kindly feel free to let us know in the comment section below. So back to the news. It said TraderWagon aims to be a platform where both investors and traders can interact and gain mutual benefit from one another. Trading strategies and techniques are freely discussed by users on the platform with one objective in mind: increasing everyone's trading knowledge. So how does TraderWagon TW work? So there are two main components of the TraderWagon platform: the lead trader and the copy trader. In basic terms, the lead trader is a more experienced trader who uses TW in order to showcase his trading strategies, while a copy trader will look to lead traders for experience and quite literally copy their trades. Understanding both of these roles provides a solid understanding of how the whole TW ecosystem works. So on the lead trader, it says to become a lead trader, you have to submit an application through the official website. However, a deposit of 10,000 USD is required to activate a portfolio as a lead trader. So at the moment, a single trader can only open two portfolios on the TW platform. So some of the benefits of becoming a lead trader are the following. The lead traders have an earning potential of up to 10%, which is taken from the profits made by copy traders. In simple words, if a copy trader earns $10,000 profit, the lead trader can get up to $1,000 due to TraderWagon's profit sharing model. So a lead trader can choose to become crypto trading influencer. This can give them the opportunity to earn additional revenue by promoting crypto projects and also create their personalized community and engaged fan following. So the profit sharing is paid out when either a lead trader exits their portfolio or a copy trader exits their copy portfolio. This means that the trade has to be composed closed for the profit sharing to be delivered to the lead trader from the copy trader's profits. So the earnings of a lead trader entirely depends on the number of copy followers they have. So more copy followers means more profit sharing. So guys, I think this is a good way for lead traders to make passive income. So as a trader, you want to jump on this platform and enjoy the benefits if you are experienced enough to be a lead trader. So for the copy trader, I said just like becoming a lead trader, if you want to become a copy trader, you have to log in and submit an application to the official website. A minimum deposit of $500 and a maximum deposit of $50,000 is required to qualify as a copy trader on the TraderWagon platform. So the benefits, we have no prior experience is required if you want to copy other traders. However, if you want to pick and choose between lead traders, only some basic knowledge of crypto and some trading experience will be necessary. So all user funds will be secured on Binance. So when a user copies a lead trader's portfolio, their funds will move to the TW wallet for additional security. Fund transfers are not done on-chain and users' funds remain safe on Binance. So TW copy trades have a 0.05% fee charge. However, for futures trading, standing field funding fees will apply on Binance. These fees are in addition to the 10% copy trading profit that will be sent to the lead traders. So in selecting a portfolio to copy from a lead trader can be tricky. However, the secret is to go for traders with long trading history with consistent profits. So you'll be able to see these old updates. So I think this is an innovative for you. So you want to let us know what you feel about these old updates. I think this, as a beginner, you shouldn't be afraid of trading. You should be able to utilize these opportunity, guys. Say the trading rules on TW platform say the lead trader can have two active portfolios, a minimum investment amount of 10,000 US dollars and a maximum of 50 copy traders for each portfolio. The copy traders can also only have two active portfolios, and their minimum to maximum investment should fall between 500 to 50,000 US dollars. The other trading rules will be subject to the partnering exchange, which is Binance. So you can read about Binance rules here. Then for lead trader 3-month trading fee rebate program, so this program allows lead traders to get a 3-month rebate their trading fees. To gain these benefits, lead traders have to submit an application and wait for themselves to be onboarded. It must be noted that trader.wagon, our website, is still under construction. All officials described above are mentioned in documentation right now. However, more updates can be expected after the official launch. So, guys, the official launch is currently not available, but this is what you should be expecting. So for the article writer, it says I'm a technical author. I'm blockchain enthusiast who has been in love with crypto since 2020. So I think that's a good one from us and Shafiq. So this is an heads up, guys, for you to know what TraderWagon will be about and how to go about it, guys. So I hope you find this helpful. Chibaki, if you have any questions, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'd love to see you in our future uploads, guys. Peace out and